So came out from there. This is beautiful. It's a glorious morning. A glorious morning. What you got?
8:46.
That's the time?
Yep.
Sweet. We're making good time. Look at this. Look how beautiful this is. It reminds me of Guam. Oh shoot. It's so beautiful. It's just like you're surrounded by everything. It's just so beautiful. I wonder why there's smoke up ahead.
Coming from the warm spring.
Oh, is it? Maybe it could be the hot springs?
Just dream.
Nah.
No, it's like a little wow.
Yeah.
Yeah. This is so cool. So cool. I guess we'll update y'all later.